Stacking blocks.
Stacky. Okay, well these are all of his Christmas presents from Mom and Dad. And he likes this one, but I think that he likes the phone the best. Dano, did you have a good Christmas? You like your phone?
Yay! Can you give a big smile?
Dano!
Dano, can you give a big smile? Say Merry Christmas!